Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to use the u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have the s over number 2 with the square root of s. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to put number 2 go to the left. So number 2 with number 2 we have number 4. This one we change for u. The s over the square root of s, that is about this one. U and u we have u square. The integration of this one we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.